Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Nooie device to Wi-Fi. First, download the Nooie Home app from your App Store. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as Nooie devices typically require this frequency. Then, plug in your Nooie device and wait for its indicator light to begin flashing, which signals it is ready for pairing. Next, open the Nooie Home app on your smartphone. You'll see an option to add device, usually represented by a plus sign. Tap this button and then select your exact Nooie device model from the displayed list. It's crucial to confirm that your device's indicator light is still flashing rapidly, as this confirms it's in pairing mode and ready for the next step. Now, you'll need to input your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network name and its corresponding password into the app. Double-check that the details are correct to avoid connection issues. For optimal results, hold your smartphone within 1 foot of your Nooie device during this step. The app will then attempt to connect, and you should see a confirmation message once it's successfully linked to your Wi-Fi. Finally, once connected, you'll be prompted to give your Nooie device a unique name. This helps you easily identify it, especially if you have multiple devices. After naming, take a moment to test its core functionality, like turning it on or off, to ensure everything is working as expected. You can then explore the app's various features to customize settings and enhance your experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.